In this video, I will show you how to download the Lusha extension for Chrome. So to do this, you will need to of course be using Google Chrome. So go and open up Google Chrome and then just search for the Chrome Web Store. Then click on the first link, so it's chromewebstore.google.com. Now from here, just go to search for Lusha and click on it. Then here select the first one, so Lusha easily find B2B contact information, select that one. Now here click on add to Chrome, then click add extension. Now here you will see it and it will take you to their website where you can go and sign into your account, and then you will be automatically signed into your Lusha extension as well right here. You can also just click on the extension and sign in with Google or email from there. If you don't have an account yet, you can just click on sign up for free. But now you will always be able to find it right here in your extensions, and then it will show up right here, as you can see, Lusha. So now you know how to download the Lusha extension on Chrome. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next one.